Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video on cooking with juniper berries. These are wild juniper berries harvested just off of juniper trees in the west deserts of Utah. And when you're picking them, if you're going to use them for cooking, you want to find the ones that are purple. If they're green, they're not ripe yet. And then all you're doing is you take a knife and kind of cut/crush them. And you can see it gets that nice flaky powder. And inside of each of these is anywhere between 1 to 3 seeds. So I just kind of smash around the seeds until I can find them. And this one had 1. So that 1 seed I just pull out. Use a knife, kind of smush all the big pieces. And the flavor is pretty strong, so you only want to use, depending on how much stew or soup or whatever you're using this for, you only want to use, I don't know, 1 to 3. I'm doing a pretty big stew, so I'm doing about 4 of them. And it has a good flavor. It's strong flavor, kind of piney almost, with a little bit of a rosemary flavor. But either way, that's it. I'll add that to my stew that I'm cooking along with that stuff, and we're ready to go.